Hi, I'm Chef Maeve, and as you know, I have an obsession with Finlandia butter, but I also have an obsession with their cheese. Today we're gonna make ourselves a treat yourself toast. We have our butter. So the first thing you'll see is I swirl the bread and I flip it. 2 slices of Finlandia Gouda, sneaky peek, and it's perfect. Look at that, delicious toastiness. Sliced cherry tomatoes, a pinch more of the butter, pinch of salt and pepper. Here I have cumin, I have fresh rosemary, do a little bit of lemon juice, and we're gonna pour it right on top of that Gouda. Drop in that asparagus, just a pinch. All right, so this guy here is perfect. You can see he's got a little bit of charring. Go ahead and grab those off. It's buttery, cheesy goodness, but you can feel good about yourself after you eat it, which is exactly what I'm gonna go and do.